Everyone, take a back seat. The VIP is for the giant of Africa. For a moment, I thought you were supposed to be stripped of the title Giant of Africa, but I realize it is proper. You are truly the giant of Africa in corruption, in weakness, in being inhumane, in fraud, in negligence, in running away from your country, in being selfish. I wanted to do this video to say to you, no, man. Listen, you don't qualify to say anything about African men. No. You don't qualify. And I'll tell you why you don't qualify. It is 2026, to be precise. The date today is the 7th of June, which tells us we are how many days to the 30th? We are 23 days away to the 30th. Let me get here. So, where do you get the audacity to say African men are weak? Where do you get the audacity to call them lazy and useless? I'm going somewhere with that. In this 2026, South Africa is marking 50 years after the uprising of youth, which was led by our men, joined by our women. Did you hear that? Which was led by our men, joined by our women. It was called the Youth Uprising 1976, where South Africans, lazy men you call them, were fighting against the worst thing we could ever handle, which is called apartheid. We are not away from it completely, but there is a lot of progress. I'm going somewhere. In this 50 years, we learned to be progressive as a nation. And this is the reason that we know we are a rainbow nation. Even though we fought and we got to this point, we did not kick anyone. But we say in being progressive, how do we live together? How do we grow together? And how do we win together? Are we there yet? No, we are not, but we are there. We are in a process of completely healing. It has been 50 years. In everything that has happened, you have learned nothing. In 2026, you are subjecting your children, your women, your everybody to violence that is worse than that. Let me give you the comparison. South African lazy men, as you label them, were fighting against the white superior people that believed they were superior, and they oppressed black South Africans. In 2026, you are saying to us, we do not know who our brothers are. We are busy and we are letting our white people do whatever it is that they want because we are fighting our own selves and we hate ourselves, says you. You in Nigeria in 2026 is black people killing other black people in the most barbaric way that we didn't even experience way back. Having gotten to this point, you do not know who your family is, and you come here, you want to be accepted as our brothers, our cousins, and our sisters, so you can stay here by force, whilst your very same people who are black like you are killing their own brothers and their own cousins, and you compare yourselves with South African men who fought the people who were different of color at the time because it was relevant. They were not fighting each other. Do you know what South African men did? They decided they're going to be in the stock fairs of empowering each other. They were meeting on Monday and Friday and Saturdays, and they will be collecting, and they'll go next time to see what have you bought in your house, because what South African knows how to do is to build each other. This is the reason why when someone is showed up here as shame, South Africans pick them up. They will have weddings because we hide each other's shame. You want to be called our own, and you label us as not knowing who our brothers are when your own brothers, blood brothers, are killing your children like, I don't know, like you're slaughtering people in your own country. And you say that. You compare yourselves to who? Black South African men. You're mistaken. You don't qualify. You don't. I'm going to make this video so short because I've realized that you are so slow. And my being slow is not an insult. It's to tell you that what we defeated in 1976, which was nothing compared to you, because we were not fighting ourselves, you are doing it in 2026. So you've learned nothing from history. History has not taught you anything. You want to be human with who when you prove that, I don't know, we're supposed to check. How do you get? You can't be a Nigerian and be screaming on social media. It is an embarrassment of the highest note. Don't compare yourself with our men. You don't qualify. In the interim, go home. Home needs you. The children need you. The country. Guys, do you know how many Nigerians are in every country outside of Nigeria? And I'm going to expose you on how you are when I told you what our black South African men have been doing to uplift each other to make sure that you have moved to the next level. And they had stock fairs and things like that where they are saving money to compete in creating beautiful houses so they can grow together, whilst you, each and every one of you, is rich outside to go and flaunt their riches to you than coming back with what they would have accumulated to say, let us build this area, let it be better. You can't even improve your own hometowns in those monies that you want to work outside of the countries. I've never wanted to say this. Nigerian men, it is you who are weak.
Sanibonani babukeli. Nangu sisedlulisa umyalezo la kuma-Nigerian ethi hhayi, wethu uyabaphuca lesi sicoco lesi ukuthi hhayi bayi-Giant of Africa. Cha, uyabanika lesi sicoco lesi. Impela hhayi bayi-Giant of Africa. Nge-corruption, ngokugila imikhuba, ukuqola abantu nokwenza zonke into ezingalunganga la e-Afrika. Lesi sicoco lesi sibafanele. Uthi usisi hhayi amadoda ale South Africa awekho lazy. Ngo-1976 akwazi ukulida imbokotho yale South Africa kwaliswa nohulumeni wobandlululo. Akunsuku zingaki nje kuhlangana uJune 16 kuhlangane 50 years amadoda ale South Africa abafana bayalida umzabalazo. So mbukeli, ngicela uyibuke nawe le video le bese ubeke wakho umbono ukuthi uthini ngenkulumo yasisi. Siphinde sihlangane evidiyweni elandelayo. Bye bye.